Hello everybody, how are we all? Fine, lovely day today, innit? Especially if you're down south. I bet it's bad down there. It's not too good up here either, to be honest with you. Bit of rain, nothing like down there, I've seen on the news anyway. But anyway, today we're going to be having a gammon. Do like a gammon. Got these like that Mr. Muscle Food thing. What is it? Muscle Food, I always call it Mr. Muscle, don't I? Muscle Food. They're massive, they are. But I've got two, so I'm going to do two different ways. And that's going to have us, like you do a gammon, fry it up with a bit of pineapple. I'm going to panko my gammon and put it on a burger with an egg on top. Let me show you what we're going to do. Okay, here's the two gammons. As you can see, they're absolutely huge. That's my one, and that's Nat's one. They're massive, ain't they? So I don't know if we're going to eat one each. I was going to do one between us, but I thought, no, I'll do one each. Anyway, I saw this up Aldi, Dino Spicy Ketchup. It was reduced to 79p. I did see it a few weeks ago. So I thought I'll get some of that and put on top and see what that tastes like as well. And that's having pineapple slices with hers. I've got some cheese to put on my burger with an egg. Bit of salad for Nat. Some of them homemade chips I made the other day, we're having them on the side. They're going to go in first, obviously. I'm going to put them in the air fryer. And I'm going to use Mr. Mayonnaise, delicious stuff. Panko, chili and garlic, air fry or oven bake. I was going to air fry it, but I thought I'm going to fry it in the pan instead. Because I want that bit of a greasiness as well if I'm having this burger, if you get what I mean. So that's what I'm going to do. So it's nice and simple. I'm hoping that'll be delicious. First thing I want to do is I want to get my chips. Because they're going to be the longest in the air fryer. That's what I'm going to do. Get them in. Nice and simple. Watch that. Don't want to get any... I've just patted them dry, you see, so I don't want to get any ice or anything on them. I can put them in the air fryer anyway. They're only fried, which I've done the other day. Okay, they're in the air fryer. Doing their thing. Now with mine, because I'm having it on a bun, I'm going to take the rind off the edge. That's what I'm going to do. I don't know what it'd be like with the rind, but it'd probably be, if you had it on a bun, it might be a bit, you know. So we'll take it off anyway. And I'm going to cut it in the middle, I might as well cut it down the middle first, there we go. So I've got two. And we'll take the rind off without chopping my fingers. It is a nice, not the best bit, and it is a good bit, that fat. I do like a bit of fat on it, but as I'm having it on a bun, there we go, they're nice and done. Right, now what I'm going to do, I've got my egg wash there. I'm going to get one in my egg wash first. Look, coat it. I'll leave it there a second just while I get my panko ready. Got myself another bowl. We'll have a look at the panko thingy in a minute. But if we get these done, actually I could show you now, couldn't I? What is it? The spice millers, panko, chili and garlic, air fry or oven, premium seasoned crumb. 300 gram them, absolutely delicious. I don't know about this one because I haven't tried this one. Light crispy Japanese panko breadcrumbs blended with spice millers, Chinese chili and seasoning. Air fry, oven bake, or use it as a sprinkle on the salads. And it says egg wash. I ain't got my glasses on to read that small print. But it says you can shallow fry it anyway, which is what I'm going to do. You can shallow fry or deep fry prepared, and I'm going to shallow fry mine. And that's what's in it. Let's open it up. Ooh, well that smells nice and chilly here, that does. Oh, it does. It smells like, I can't remember the name of it, but it smells like, well, chilli. It does smell like chilli, but that smells really nice. Now, I don't want to waste this, obviously, so if I have to add more, I'll put more in. I don't want to waste it. I will need more than that, but let's put that aside. There we go. Take the excess egg off. and we'll get this in here and we'll get it coated. Get it all coated over. And it says leave for 5 minutes and that's so but I'll probably leave it a little bit longer just to till I'm ready to do this, because it ain't going to take long shallow frying these. This smells delicious. It smells like sweet chilli. That's what it is. It's like a sweet chilli. It smells like... Yeah, that's not if she wanted a panko one. She says, in case she doesn't like it, she's going to have a normal one. But she can always try a little bit of this if she wants to. Nice and simple. They're all done. Look at the size of them. They're massive, aren't they? Massive. I'm going to use this panko up anyway. I might as well, mightn't I? Pat it all in. And when the chips are nearly done, we'll get the pans on, because there's really a lot to do now, so... There you go, I've used all that panko up. Look at them now, don't they look nice? Looks like a bit of fillet of fish, doesn't it? How thin they are, look. But look at the size of them. They're massive. Okay, I've put my pan on. I want to get the oil kind of up to temperature. So I'm just going to shallow fry this one, so just put a bit of oil in the bottom. I'll also probably do my egg in this after. You know what I mean? So wasting all the oil. Panko egg, eh? How about a panko egg? Okay, I'm going to get a little bit of oil in that now. Just a bit at the bottom there, that's all. That's all we need. We'll let it heat up and we're nearly ready to go. I'm really looking forward to these though. I am really looking forward to these. I'm not going to get both of them in the pan, am I? I might freeze one actually, to be honest with you, and then have it another day, because I ain't going to eat all that. I don't know, we'll see as we go. I'll open up pineapple slices. I've got these in Morrison's, not Morrison's, Tesco, 80p. I was going to buy a fresh one, but I thought, you know, we'll open them up anyway. Not the best, but we'll give them a little fry at the end, you know. In a bit of the fat, it'll be okay. Okay then, we'll get Natalie's in the back. It'll be nice and hot if it fits in the pan. They'll need a few minutes, that's all. Depending on how you like them, obviously. And we'll get mine with a panko. In there. Oh yes. And we'll give them a few minutes each side. Looking nice now. I'm even going to put a bit of pineapple in that at the side of it if I can get it. Looking nice. Check this one. Bit longer. Two different things. Should have cut the thing, shouldn't I, really? Stop it, and how you do with pork chops. But hey, doesn't matter what it looks like, it's all in the taste, as I say. It's all in the taste. Get out a flick. I want to get it golden brown, so I just keep flicking it every couple of minutes. That one is looking delicious. It's about done. This one's nearly done now. We'll do fattening the edges up a little bit, that's all. Look at that one there, look. Let's see if I can bring you closer and have a look. Oh yes. I reckon that's going to be a delicious burger, that. Right, I'll let them finish off. Okay, there's Nats. There's a bit of fat on there. I think she likes a bit of fat. Anyway, because I'm on my belly. But anyway, there's Nats. Now I'm just going to put my egg in mine. And we'll build mine up. Right, I'm going to stick a bit of mayo at the bottom on mine. Like so. Do like a bit of mayo, me. And put a bit of these leaf salad on. Then I'm going to have to cut this in half. It's absolutely massive. I don't think it'd fit on there in one. Look. Oh, it will actually. No, let me do a double. I'll do a double. Let me cut it in half. And I'll do a double one. It looks delicious. It smells lovely. There it is. Looks a bit like spam, innit? Yeah, you okay, Bob?
Can I nick the mayonnaise, please?
Mayonnaise.
Thank you.
I haven't put any of that.
I've already done it.
Oh, you've done it, yeah?
Just done it.
Okay.
I've just done it, thank you.
I think I'll put a bit of cheese in the middle. I've got my egg in the fat there, look. Why not? And put a bit of cheese. I'm going to put another one on top.
I'm all right to get tucked in, yeah?
You crack on, Babby, yeah?
Thank you.
You crack on. I'm going to try this. Oh, I'll have to open it, won't I? You ever had this dino stuff? Can't open it. There we go. No. There we go. Let's put a bit on there. Don't know how spicy it is. We'll find out. Egg on top. There we go. Look at that. Oh, that's looking nice now. Ow, ow, ow. And the burger on top. Like so. Let's put it down there for now. And get me fries, me chips. There we go. And what do we think of that one? That looks quite delicious, doesn't it? That egg as well. Right, let's get up the table then. So, all together, I don't think that looks bad at all. I think it looks quite nice, actually. I'm going to just put a bit of salt on my chip. And on top of my egg. And let me give you a good show. There we go. Nice egg on top. So you can see under there. There you go. Looks nice, looks a bit like spam, doesn't it? There's Nats, he's getting tucked in. Just paying you, Bab.
Yes, I am, thank you. Loads better.
A lot better.
Yep.
So, anyway, it's all about the burger, isn't it? It's all about, do you want to try a bit of this? So
No,
what do you
it's
think?
okay.
It's like it smells like a sweet chilli. You want to try it? Just try a bit on the side.
I'll try a bit on the side then, thank
So
you.
we'll cut a little bit off for you.
Don't worry if you can't cut it off.
No, some off somewhere.
Don't mess it up.
Tell me what you think of that batter.
What is it?
Sweet chilli. Ooh, just lick my lips and that tastes really nice. That tastes really nice, doesn't it?
I like that.
What I've just had so far. Anyway. Doesn't it?
That's nice. Oh yeah, that tastes really nice.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Even that's on the oh yeah now.
I know.
Oh yeah.
I know it's
Look at
myself
that.
saying it the other day.
Look at that beauty. You're jealous. You're jealous now, ain't you? You wish you had this, didn't you?
No, not really.
And with your white top. I'm alright now because I bought one of these. So I can make as much mess as I want. Can't I? Like wrecking my clothes. Right, let's tuck in. I'm a bit high there. Let me come down a bit.
Nice.
Oh. Oh. No matter about my face. Oh, the taste of that. Oh. You want a bite?
No, thank
Oh.
you. Honest. I'm fine.
I got another one to make over there. I'm glad I've done that. 'Cause I'm going to eat 2 of these.
I will have that next one now.
You'll have this next. It's delicious, isn't it?
It's really nice.
I've tried it with gammon, but you put it on chicken or anything. That'd be delicious. Pork belly with that, I bet it'd be delicious, wouldn't it? Would you with pork belly, wouldn't it?
Oh, yeah.
That is amazing.
Yeah, it tastes nice, you know.
Bit of pork belly in the air fryer with that on.
Yeah.
That'd be delicious.
It's really tasty.
I will leave a link in the description for Mr. Marinade. His stuff is absolutely superb, honest to God. I wouldn't just say it, but that is so easy. It's all seasoned. Oops. It's all seasoned for you. Leave it a few minutes to marinade in. You only probably had one with a steak, which I think I might revisit and do it in the air fryer. Because I reckon it'd probably be alright in the air fryer and not put so much on.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And maybe with a bit of oil. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Because maybe because it was in the pan, it just, as soon as it hit, it burnt, didn't it? And you got to do, with steak, it's got to be in the pan hot, hasn't it?
Yeah.
Instantly to get the seal, to get the sear.
Air fryer might good.
So I might try it again in an air fryer and see. Because everything I've had from you is absolutely delicious, apart from that. But the steak had a bit of problems with it as well. We had problems with the steak as well, didn't we?
Yeah.
So I'll probably get a steak from the butcher's and try it that way. But this is delicious. But there'll be a link in the description. I'm not sponsored or anything. It's just, he sent it me. I bought it off Amazon. And he said I'd done a video and he sent me some bits. And he wants to thank, he sent me an email, wants to thank everybody who's bought some. And I want to thank him as well, because it's absolutely delicious, isn't it?
Yeah, it's
really is nice. But there'll be a link in the description if anybody wants any.
And it's simple as well.
And it's simple.
It's not like...
You haven't got to get 7 or 8 different seasonings and put them in and mix it all together. It's there.
It's very ready, isn't it? Yeah.
And this is delicious. I'm going to eat this and I'm going to make that other one. I am, honestly. I am. I don't care. I don't care. I'm fat, so I ain't bothered.
Don't say that. No, you're not. No, you're not. Oh, don't say that.
Really nice, Alex. Really nice. 100% to 10 for me. Finger licking good luck. What are you having for your gammon, Bab? Because I know it's only gammon. You haven't had anything else, really. Look, come that way.
I'll give it a 7.5.
7.5. It looks a bit fatty, doesn't it? But you like it. You like the fat. Would you like your fat probably crispy, more crispy, probably?
No, that was just fine.
Is that all right for you? I'd cut my fat off mine, you see, because it'd be
but
for the burger.
I love fat.
Anyway, I ain't talking long. I'm going to go and eat this. So I am the old food guy. Give us a like, give us a subscribe. Till next time, 10 from me, 100%. Bye-bye.